So, hi guys! We're here to unbox my gifts that I received yesterday from my birthday. So, let's start. So, kung ano lang madampot ko. Let's start here. Not sure kung kanino galing to. Sana may letter sa loob. Wala! But, he or she knows me. Not sure kanito galing. But, the one that I'm using is this moisturizer, Bioten, as in this exact Bioten. So, thank you so much. Kung kanino naman to galing. Walang nakalagay. And Christmas wrapper. But yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you. I think kailangan ko na siya ilabas para di na ako malito sa mga kailangan ko unbox. Next is, sige, ito. Ako to. Ganito kay Mods and um, her husband, John. Happiest birthday, Mods. God bless and stay safe and beautiful. Let's see. Let's check ko ano to. Naka-stapler siya, guys. Okay, so what do we have here? We have here thermal patch for, I think, sa mga sakit-sakit sa likod. Need to use it. And then, we have two headbands. Oh my God. Do you know, guys, na into headbands ako right now? Pero this is so cute. I'm not sure ako talaga gamitin. Pero, pati siya gamitin for my outfit na. I have these two tops na color ganito. Ah, cute! Mag-headband ako ngayon. Kasi, ano na ako, sweet girl era. Sweet girl era. Okay, next. We have here landmark. I'm not sure kanino to galing. Wala rin siyang nakalagay. Oh, there! May nakalagay na name sa loob. So, I have here from Den. So, pwede ko siya gamitin sa gym. Ayan. Wow. So, this is from Den. It's a Omega tumbler. Let's see what color we have. Oh, it's really white. Ayan. Cute. This is I'm not sure ilang ounce to. But yeah, 540 ml. Gusto gamitin for gym. Or yeah, another tumbler. Yay! Thanks so much. Then, okay, next, let's check what we have for the next one. So happy. Ang dami kong magagamit agad. Let's like tupi the paper bags, put it here. And I also want to thank my friends who gave my bouquets. I have here from Edmer Marie and Kathleen. And this is from Topher, I think Althea May and Noel. Patricia, I have from my bebe, the roses, and my babe Jo. Ayan, yung mga bouquet ko. I'm so happy. So next, we have here. Walang nakalagay, but I think this is from my favorite pamangkin, Shotty and Leah, kasi pinakita niya sa akin yung paper bag. Sabi niya, it's my favorite color, lilac. So, let's see kung anong binili ni Leah for me. Ay, na-destroy ang ating lagayan. But yeah, let's see. Hello! Cute! Guys, we have a new Chok Chok. They know I love Chok Chok. Yes, yes, yes. And, ooh, we will try this one from Korean Mart. So, it's a matcha latte. I'll just put ice on it. Ayan. Chingu Cafe. Cute. And I have one more here. Let's see. What's this? Siguro mug. Charot, hindi. Oh, cute! It's a Lego bouquet. May bouquet rin pa from Leah. We'll do this soon. Cute. Di-display natin. Yay! So cute. Thank you, Achi and Shotty. And this cute paper bag. Okay, let's have next. Ito. Nakita ko na to actually. This is from Zahan. Wala nang nakalagay na letter, but itanong kasi siya kung anong gusto ko. So, I'm looking for outside. Wala na kasi akong mabilhan. But binili niya sa akin Oatly. But I think masarap pa rin to. Oatly. 2 Oatlys for my matcha. And, she also added, of course, my favorite, matcha powder. Ah, the best. So, more matcha powders for me. And oat milk. Maubos ko to agad as a matcha girl. Dito natin siya pala para hindi na ako malito ko nung i-open ko. So, ayan. Next tayo. Parang nakakapagod pala to. Ito para pag may PR package sa mga influencer. Ems. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for the gift. Ito yung pinaka-first time na sobrang dami kong gifts. I think meron nung 7th birthday ko, but I can't remember anymore. Nag-birthday party rin ako sa bahay namin. I have like a 3-tier cake. So, yun. But sobrang tagal na nun. Next one is, we have here, Nats from Sai and JB. My college best friend, too. Parang si Zahan. Ang cute. Yung, nakakatawa, sabi niya sa akin, yung paper bag, sorry, ganyan. Hello, baby. Nakakaloka. Oh my God, saan nabuksan ko? Kasi super naka-tape siya. Like, super, super naka-tape. Oh my gosh. Ganito pa naman. Ang hirap buksan. Ayan, okay. Parang kaya ko naman pala. Okay, next. Hala! Hala, ang perfect nung gift niya. Guys. Wait, let me show you. So, what we have here is yung Kina rice pack. Not sure how to apply this. Siguro search ko muna sa app. Kasi, meron ako nung mask neto, rice mask. So, etong pack, not sure how to use. Siguro lalagay lang talaga sa face. Tapos, yung remover ng mascara. Nakakatawa kasi I'm about to buy this. Meron ako ng heroin mascara. And wala ako ng remover. Sobrang hirap tanggalin nung mascara na yon. So, perfect na may remover na ako. Thank you so much, sis. And love. Yan. Where should I put this? Oh my gosh. Kaya natin to. Thank you so much. Sobrang perfect. Ang galing. Parang nagmamatch lahat ng nangyayari. Kahit hindi nila alam ko anong meron ako or wala ako. Okay, we have here next is also from mag-asawa. My best friend from college too. Hi, I love you. Happy birthday, Joy. From Carms and Kyle. Si Mommy Carms. Okay, ano to? Okay, nakaganon lang siya. So, may mga paper bags pala na ganito lang siya buksan. Like, oh my God. Bawal siya sa sa kamote. Charis. So, ginaganon siya guys para maklip yung magkabilang dulo. Para pala magsara siya. So, yung pala yung purpose nitong mga something sa paper bag. So, we're learning a lot. Like, yung ganyan niya. Let's also get the other one. Other side. Ayan. And the other side. Kaya natin to. Oh my gosh, guys. It's taking a lot of time, but kaya natin to. Let's go. Okay, ayan. Okay, what we have here is Scarlet Hues. I think this is a wallet. I think wallet to. Let's check. So, here's the box. Unboxing. Hala, mukhang wallet nga. Color brown. Let's see. Or passport. Passport holder. Hala, customize siya. Oh my God. Ang cute. I really appreciate customized gifts. Kasi it's really meant for me. Guys, look. Nakalagay na. And I can put my passport here inside. Hala, I'm so happy. There's a lot of card slots. SIM slots, I think, for eSIM. Ito yung sa passports. And you can put like yung tickets mo dito or yung money. Thank you, Mommy Carms! Oh my gosh, so cute! Grabe, so happy. It's really meant for me. But guys, I really appreciate everything, ha? Don't get me wrong. Ang saya-saya lang kasi it has my nickname, Nuts. Cute. Tas brown. Thank you so much, Mommy Carms. So, ayan. Lagyan na lang natin ulit siya sa box. So happy. Ito ko na lang siya. Ayan. Next tayo. Let's fold this. Hindi na malito ang first one sa ating mga i-unbox. Next. Siguro mga small muna tayo na gifts. Okay, eto next natin. Walang name. Oh, I think meron. Happy birthday, Nuts from Tons and Bells. Oh my gosh. TL Tonch Cutie. And his wife, Belay, my favorite friends from here, Project 4. Uy, there's a lot. Hala, they really know me well. Luggage tag from my bagahe. They know I travel a lot. So, ito yung mga pang-travel natin. We also have card holders, I think. Oo, card holders, guys. For credit cards or kung ano man. So, yung card holders. We have here another bag tag. Ang cute! Mukhang kailangan tayong maraming luggage kasi I will be going to another country very soon. And we have a cooling towel for gym, or kung nasa labas ka man, at least you have like malamig na towel that you can Oh, perfect! Natin siya ilagay. Next is very helpful travel mesh pouch, and it has yung mga containers, pump bottle, and flip cup bottle. Oh, for lotion, alcohol, or shampoo. Eee, so cute! Yay! Thank you so much, Tons and Bells. So far, tatlong mag-asawa yung magkakasunod natin nabuksan. I really love it. Nakakatawa. And they really know me well. Things that I need. Ay! Okay. Hala. Wait lang. Let's do the next one. Okay. Let's keep this plastic here. Okay. Ito, small paper bags muna tayo. And the big one. Nats, happy birthday from Brian and Jillian. Ito, mag-girlfriend and boyfriend na bestie ko, si Bro. And from her girlfriend, Jillian. From Bath and Body Works, I think. Let's see. Oh my gosh. What's this? Remove natin yung mga tapes. You know, guys, I really love Bath and Body Works. Like, yung perfume nila, yung scented candles nila. And, ano pa ba? Hand wash, alcohol. Oh my God, nade-destroy. Usi pa naman ako sa mga paper bags. But yeah, wala tayong choice. Parang made-destroy na talaga siya. I think, wag ko nabuksan everything. Para di masira. So, let's see what we have this. Mga paper pa siya. Okay, ito matanggal, please. So, the first one we have is, I know this. I've seen this sa Bath and Body Works store talaga. So, hello, I really want this, like before pa. So, this one, you will plug sa wall socket. Tapos, you will put, siguro itong scent, like here. Hala, anong scent kaya to? Dalawa! We have two. Oh my God, this is my favorite scent. Naiiyak. Guys, I promise, itong A Thousand Wishes, I have an alcohol gel na sa bag ko right now. And, titipid ko siya, sobrang bango niya. And then, this is Warm and Woodsy, nakalagay. And then, this one is Eucalyptus Rain. This is so perfect kasi, milig ako na may scent sa room ko. So, oh my gosh, I use this in my bedroom. Thank you so much, bro and Jillian. So happy. Oh, so kilig. This one, I think I need to put back here kasi babasagin siya. And baka mahulog ko. Let's just put it here. Baka mahulog and mabasag. So, next one is, make this as quick as we can. Eto, not sure who's this from, who's, okay. Wala siyang name. Pero kamukha niya yung paper bag kanina nila Tons. Wala siyang name. From kanino siya? Sana meron? Wala, sis. It's a bag. Kung kanino man to, thank you so much. Green is for matcha. I really love the color. Let's open the bag. Kanino kaya to galing? So, we have here, ito yung usong bag na ang cute. It's a, hindi ko alam ang tawag dito, bubble bag, I think. Ang cute. It's color green to color matcha. So, may siya, may long strap that you can put, and then short strap. Tapos, naiiksian ata tong shoulder, kilikili strap. Hala ko kanino man to, thank you so much. Wala siyang name. My God, let me know. Kanino kaya to galing? But thank you talaga. West Bronco. I think I know this brand. Not sure if it's on the pick-up shop. Parang nakita ko siya doon. Pero ang cute. Kasi color green. It's color matcha. I love it. Thank you so much. Kanino kaya to galing? Ay! Yan. Natin yung mga flowers. Okay, next tayo. So, ang dami ko ng paper bags here. I think dito natin siya sa likod ko para it's not looking, magulo dyan. Okay, next. So, we have here, I think this is from my Mudrakels. Tita G, the mother of my beshi. This is popcorns, I think. Yeah, wala rin siyang letter, but I think this is from mother. So I have like how many 5 popcorns here. So pag nagmo-movie night ako, I have it's from White Label popcorn. We have cheese, we have barbecue, and then we have this is cheese balls. It's not popcorn. Cheese balls. I love cheese balls. And we also have sweet and salty and another sweet and salty. So dalawang sweet and salty, cheese balls, barbecue, and cheese popcorn. Yay! Pang movie night. So let's put it here. Let's put it back there. Ayan. Sobrang happy. Guys, ayan. Okay. Okay, next. I think kilala ko from kanino to. Kasi this has a backstory. This is from Romy, my favorite Barbie racer from Team Motolite. So we have a bag and ang bigat niya. Oh my God. Happy birthday Ate Natalie from Romy and Darren. Sabi niya, sabi daw niya si Darren, pero hindi niya na isama. So we have a mango bag. Ito yung paper bag ng gift niya. Nakakaloka. Cute. Blue. Just a quick fact na I'm a sapphire gemstone and my color is blue. September is blue. And we have oh my God, this is so heavy. Hala, bigat guys. Wait. Oh my God. Method Body Wash Trio. So we have 3 body wash here. Ang cute! Has different colors. You have cucumber, green tea, Daily Zen, Pure Peace, and Simply Nourish. And it has like 3 ingredients. Cucumber seaweed green tea, peony rose water pink sea salt, coconut, rice milk, and shea butter. Body wash. Tatlong body wash, guys. Nakakatuwa. Hindi ko bango-bango neto. I'm excited to use it. Hala. Thank you so much, Romy. Ayan. Babalik natin siya dito kasi hindi naman na siya naka-paper bag. Okay, dito. To next. Another big one. Kasi may ako nakunin yun. So, we have here a card. Let's see. Nats, happy birthday, God bless, and enjoy your day. Love, mom and dad. So, this is from my in-laws, Charis. Sa parents ng bebe ko. Let's see. We have, I think this is from Straightforward, guys. Another bag. We have another bag. So, ano yung bag natin? 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. Ano siya? Naka-double-sided tape. So, let's unbox it. Hala, dalawa yung laman. Okay, we have, first box. Celine wallet. Hala, ang cute! So, we have like a long wallet here. Alang cute! Daming card slots and we can put our cash and then coins here, pictures. Thank you, mommy and daddy. And you have like a cute undies. Wala niyo pa ba makita? Pero ayan, nakalagay Juicy Forever, which is true. It's a Juicy Couture undie. So cute. And yes, I'm Juicy Forever. Wala, share ko lang. Charis. Ayan, so we have wallet. And then, let's see what we have here. Another bag. And, oh my God, wait lang. Ang laki. Wait guys, sorry. Hala. Super naka-double-sided tape siya. Ay! Oh my God. Super dumikat siya sa double-sided. It's a blue bag. Kasi guys, blue is also my color since I'm Royal Blue Vernon Sling May 25. I think this is their May 25 collection. I think it's a puffer bag. Hala, ang ganda! I can put my laptop here. Hala, so cute! Thank you, mommy and daddy. Guys, look, I can use this pag nagta-travel. So, may laptop sleeve siya. May 2 side pockets for your, like, maliliit na stuff. And ayan, so spacious. Tapos meron din dito sa labas na pockets. Tapos, snap button. And, the strap is also adjustable. Ito, adjust mo siya if you want longer. Ang cute! Grabe! can't wait to style this. Tas the zipper siya. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy! Yay! Wala pa akong gantong color na bag. I'm so happy to have pangatlong bag na. Halong, cute. Yay! Okay. We will keep the cards too. Kunin natin yun mamaya, guys. Kakalate ko siya. So happy. So happy. Really appreciate everything. Okay, let's have the next one. Ang gulo na, guys, kasi nga, we're unboxing. I don't know how to really, be organized sa unboxing. Okay, next, we have another straightforward na bag. Happy birthday, Natalie, from Anne and Denzel. So, this is also my two best friends from pre-nursery to high school, si Anne. And I think, let's see what we have here. Hala, baka ma-destroy ko yung card. Wag. Okay, there. Ayan. Okay, hala! Oh my God, how cute! Okay, I will keep this now. Baka mahulog siya. Hindi, lagay ito sa loob. So we have, guys, I already have this. I already told you earlier. I have a Canna rice mask. Another one from Japan. And then, bundle boundless basic. I think this is a travel organizer. They really know that I love to travel. Hala, color cream siya. Or cream ba to or beige? Ang cute! I think this is for toiletries. Or, like for lagay na ako ng mga, yung wire sa gadgets or camera ko. Mga essential stuff for tech. I think dito ko sila ilalagay. Ang cute! Thank you so much, Anne! And Denzel. Guys, dalawang straightforward natin, oh. Ang cute. We have cream and blue. So cute. Thank you so much, Anne. Ayan. Oh my God. Lagyan natin siya dito, guys. So, let's to feed this eco bag. Ito muna siya. Nakakatawa kasi yung rice mask ko, dalawa na. Okay, next, we have this one. This is from one of my bestie in college din. From Eliza Blanca. It's a MAC. Let's open it. It's a makeup. And we have here a red, I think, bullet lipstick to. Maximal Slick Satin. Satin lipstick, rouge. And shade Dobonnet. I'm not sure, 827. Sleek Satin. Let's open it. I think it's yung first time ko magka-MAC bullet, guys. Hello. Bogs, ang ganda! Red na pang malakasan. Hello, thank you so much, Eliza. I have a new lipstick. Gamitin ko to sa mga trip ko or kung lalabas may event. Ala, ang ganda. Oh my God, thank you so much. I think this one, I'll put this back kasi ang cute nung box niya. Like, wow. Ang cute ng lagayan niya. Ito natin siya. Okay, next one we have is this one. Kanino kaya ito galing? Walang nakalagay na name. Guys, make sure to put name so I can, thank you talaga. Oh my God, yung may message ko kayo. Kasi natanong ng iba if I already opened their gifts. Okay, next. So we have here a regatta paper bag with, let's see what's inside. Pacific Eau de Toilette. So it's a perfume. Okay. Amuyin na natin agad kasi I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Saan ito galing? Walang nakalagay. Thank you so much sa naman nagbigay ng regatta nito. Girl. Hala, ang cute! Hala, ang bango. This person knows me. Hala, ang bango. Hala, hindi siya matapang. It's just right for me. Ang bango kayo ito galing. Thank you. Kukul naman to nagbigay. Sobrang sweet nung amoy. Pang sweet girl. Baby girl like me. Sobrang bango. Perfect. Thank you so much. I'll make sure I'll use this. Okay. Next tayo. My God. Saan tayo maglalagay ng mga kalat? Like a plastic kanina. Ako ba yun nilagay? So, sobrang daming nangyayari. I think dito na lang. Maglagay tayo ng ano dito. Trash or something. But yan, dyan muna siya. Okay, next. Okay, this one. This small gift. Happy birthday, Nats. Love you, Mara. Thank you, Mara. Let's open it. Yan. Yay! Ano kaya to? Happy birthday. Nakalagay sa... Oh my God! I love this too. Happy Skin. We have lip jelly and lip mallows. Guys, alam nyo, bumili ako ng Happy Skin last year and naubos ko siya agad. Sobrang moisturizing siya and ang bango. And parang halos everyday ko siya ginagamit. Like, ito and yung Barren Bliss. Ngayon, Barren Bliss yung gamit ko. Hala, ito yung shade na gamit ko. So, this is PB&J. PB&J. It's the first one. Yung lip jelly. Tapos yung lip mallow is chai latte. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Thank you, Mara. I love it. Yay! We have a new makeup again. Kasama ng MAC. Okay, dito natin siya isama. Huwag ka malalaglag. Okay, girl. Next one is we have... Ayun ko galing regata. Nag-wonder. Ang daming mga gifts na walang name. So, yung regata na perfume and itong cloud bag, wala siyang name. Okay, next tayo. This one. Ang bigat. It's a green paper bag again and parang wala naman siyang name. Cross finger, sana meron sa loob. Alam ko na kanito galing. From my mom. Nakakatawa. Kasi alam niyang mahilig ako maghugas ng pinggan. Guess what we have? We have ano yung sinasabi? A tough dishwashing liquid. Kasi mas okay daw to kaysa sa Joy. We have 3 of it. Kasi sabi niya mas nakakatanggal to ng oily plates or yung pan. So, perfect. Thank you so much, Mudrakels. Mudrakels Myra Nova. So, we already have here. Lagay natin ito sa may kitchen area. Yan, so cute. Yay! Thank you, Momski. Nakakatawa. May ano pa. Ano pa ba? Wala. Puro bubble wrap lang. Okay, let's remove the bubble wrap na lang. Ow! Later, tatanggalin ko yung mga ano to? Stapler. Kasi masugatan ang person. So, dami nating paper bags. Ayan. Okay, next tayo. Next is this one we have here. It's a Puma paper bag, but what's inside is wala na namang name. I think meron. Wait, let's check. Hala, ang cute. Wala nga name, but this is my favorite color. Bedazzled. We have here ano to? Body wash, body lotion, cream bath, or a brush, hair brush, cleansing bath soap, and body scrub. Bath gift. Thank you so much. Kaya to galing. And meron ding, yung pang body scrub na sponge. And then, we have, oh my God. Hala, kanino to galing? We have 2 matcha KitKat. Hala, thank you so much. Kanino to galing? Guys, wala na namang name. This is the 3rd one na walang name. But thank you. Kayo naman to galing, thank you. She knows or he knows that I love purple. And we have matcha KitKat. Oh my God. So kilig. Thank you. Okay, let's have the next one. Okay, this is a House of Little Bunny na eco bag. But what we have here is... Okay, I won't show you, but I think this is one from my Mudra din. It's an Andi, medium Andi. So we have 5 pieces from Avon. And then, I think this is a Gluta soap. Agluta soap. Sinabi niya na to sa akin kanina. So, thank you, nanay. So, let's just put it there kasi andi siya. Next one is this one. This is from my babe, kung saan galing yung malaking bouquet na roses. So, we have here a Christinang paper bag. I think this is from Malaysia. Enjoy your birthday, babe. Here's a little something. Love, Jo. And dami namin yung stapler. So, let's open it carefully. Hala, ano kaya to? Sabi niya, nag-chat siya sa akin kung di niya alam kung gusto ko ng printed bag. Kasi parang hindi niya nakikita nagpa-printed bag. But, di ako maarte sa bag, guys. And this is our fourth bag na. Oh my God, it's heavy. Okay. Let's check. I think it's a tote bag. It's kind of big. Hala. Ayun. Guys, it's really a Christinang bag. I'm planning to get this before, yung mini nila. Yung maliit. Ang cute! Guys, pwede ko rin siya gamitin sa travel. Hala, it's so pretty. It's a black one. Hala, thank you so much, babe. It has a wallet na nakasama and yung, I think ito yung hard ano niya sa baba. Thank you so much, babe. I'll be using this on my travel. So, guys, ang ganda. Oh my God, so happy. Lagyan natin siya dito kasi it's so pretty. I'm so happy. Tapos tatago ko rin to later. Hala, I'm so kilig. Let's just to pee it para hindi siya nakakalat. Yay! Okay, the next one we have is, hala, kalimutan ko yung eco bag niya. Lagyan na lang natin sa loob ng bag. Yan. Ito tayo bumiling mga bags. Next one ito, it's also a big one. Sana may letter din kung kanino. Okay, ayun, meron. It's a Stradivarius paper bag, but the one inside, it's not. Ayun, happy birthday, Queen. Love you. Nat from Odds. Thank you so much, Odds. Look what we have here, guys. So big. Ang cute. Hala. Ay! I think it's a travel pillow. Oh my gosh. Ganyan siya, guys. Uses. It's a pink pillow. I can use it like sa pag-travel or massage pillow. Anong massage pillow? Ah, okay. Pag minamassage ka, dun yung face mo. Kasi may butas siya. Ang cute, no? Parang donut. Ang cute! Thank you, Odds! Thank you so much, Odds! Dito na natin siya pala. Hindi natin siya ilagay sa paper bag. Okay, next one. Pagod to, oh my God. But I'm so happy and grateful. I feel so loved. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for all of the gifts. Okay, next tayo is, okay, ito. This is from Bebe Girl, Nyara. Bebe Nuts, happy birthday. I love you. Love, Nyara. Let's see. Let's open the tape. Press kami ng favorite color, kaya purple yung paper bag, I think. And I love it. Hala, what's this? Let's open it. Okay. So, what we have here is a pajama. Ang cute. It's a pink one. Ayan. Pantulog. Another pantulog we have here. A pink terno pajama. Yay! Thank you so much, Abe. And we have a Funko Pop. Guys, ang cute. It's a glow-in-the-dark Jollibee. So, meron na tayong Funko Pop na Jollibee. Tapos, meron pa tayong lamp na Jollibee. Nakakatawa. Cute. We have 2 Jollibees now. Hey. Thank you so much, Bebe. Open na nga natin yung Jollibee na ano. Saan ito ilalagay? Wait. Alam siguro nila marami kong damit, kaya haven't received any clothes pa, but this is super nice kasi I really love wearing terno pajamas. Sobrang perfect. Okay, let's put it here na lang. Hindi ko na maabot yung Jollibee na ano. So, let's get here na lang. So, we have here a For Me clothing. Wala siyang name. Again, sana meron sa loob na card or something. Naka-stapler siya ulit. Let's open it carefully. Ito galing. Feel ko, oh my God, na-destroy. Feeling ko galing to kay Marie. Tsaka kay Kat. Kasi sabi nila, it's a doll shoes. Kasi sabi nila, shoes na yung binili nila eh. Oh my God, these girls. So, di ko alam kung tama yung size. Let's see. It's a white doll shoes. Kinakabahan. Parang malaki. But, let's try it on. Try it on again. It's color cream ba to or white? Cream. Okay. Let's see. It's a for me. Let's try it now. Kahit one foot. Feel ko sakto. Not sure. Ay, open natin muna yung strap. Kasi, masikip. Kasi sabi niya, sa kanya naman yung resibo if ever maluwag daw sa akin or di kasha. You can have it. Exchange. Okay, it's kind of big, pero I think it will work naman. No, it's really big. Like, super. Ang liit ng paa ko kasi. 6.5 lang ako, but this is size 7. Wait. Pero pag nilagay ko siya ng toe socks, I will try to walk on it siguro later. It's kind of big. Like, ang laki nung space dito. But yeah, thank you so much, Marie and Kathleen. And cute. We have new doll shoes. Tinod na nasa doll shoes era na ako. Dahil I'm so tita already. So, we have a doll shoes there. Tumuna natin siya. And let's keep the paper bag. And we have another one from For Me. So, feel ko sa kanilang dalawa nga to galing. Kasi walang pangalan. Pero sinasabi niyang, okay, next one is another For Me paper bag. And naka-staple na naman siya. I-remove natin. I think this is a bag. Destroy. Ayan. So, let's open it. This is a, ano to? I think it's really a bag. Let's see. Oh, cute! Hala, kamukha ng Coach bag ni Marie. Ang cute! It's color khaki. Pwede siya match dun sa shoes. Ang ganda. Pwede ko siya pang daily or pang alis-alis. So, we have our like, is this fourth bag? Fifth bag na. Thank you so much, Marie and Kat. Ayan, so happy. Yay! Another bag. Ayan. Okay. Next. We have a lot of paper bags. Wait, we just have 2 left na lang. Ayan, ito na to ilagay. Okay. So, the next one is this one. Hindi na naabot ng first one, but we'll try. This is from Erica Joy. Alam mo, siya yung unang dumating. Hindi naman una. Siya yung nag-abot sa akin ng gift. And sabi ko, ba't naman ganyan yung itsura ng paper bag mo? Hindi na daw niya na ready. But, hala, we have a, tinong niya pala sa akin kung anong gusto ko. So, we have a bed sheet in color purple. My favorite color again. And it's on size double. Alang cute. So, we have here, siguro yung sheet sa loob. Di ko na-open, guys. And we have 2 pillowcase. Not sure if this has, blanket. But yeah, thank you so much, Erica Joy. I love it. Color purple. Yes. Iyan natin dito kasi baka madumihan. Ayan. So, the last paper bag we have is, ayun, yung blue na paper bag from Sus. Not sure kung kanino siya galing. Parang wala na naman siyang name. But, good thing itong iba. Walang name. Alam ko kanino galing. But, ayan. Sabi natin itong paper bag na to. Okay. Try ko muna siya abutin, guys. Kasi, parang masa-stuck na ang person dito. Have here a mahulog ang mga things. Yan na nga, kinakabahan. If dyan ka na lang, para di ka mahulog. No? Diyan. This one here. Yan. Okay. Okay. This is from Patricia Lobel. I think we have the same bags nga. So, what we have here, okay mahulog, is a Mumu bag. And nakakatawa kasi regalo ko rin sa kanya ganito. And it's color pink. So, yung regalo niya sa akin is color gray. Ang ganda. Ayan. I have the one in purple. Binili ko sa sarili ko. So, we have another bag. This is our sixth bag. Sobrang cute. Yay! Dami nating bags. Oh my God. And then, we have a personalized anik-anik. Guys, it's so cute. Nakalagay nuts. Lagay ko sa dun sa mga bags ko. So cute. Thank you, Pat. So, ito kahit walang letter, alam ko na from Pat kasi kasi nga kami ng gifts. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Kasi siguro, ganun kami, sobrang ka-sister. Yung gift ko sa kanya ganito, pink talaga. Nakuha niya ng Friday pa. So, we have like 6 bags. And yung last natin na gift, ito, galing kay Martin Obira. I think this is a pillow. I'm not sure. But, yeah, let's open it. Ayan. From Nats to Martin. Ang dami niyang ano, guys. Hala, parang bean bag. Upuan to, I think. It's color silver. Hala, ang ganda ng color. Guys, paano ko siya i-open? Ang dami niyang balot. Nakakaloka. Wait, ako talalagay ito. Ang dami niyang balot. Kinakabahan. Parang pag binuksan ko to, super bukas na. Baka lumobo siya agad. A-fall. Kaya mag-fall. So, ang chaotic nitong unboxing natin. Kasi ang dami nila. And ang gulo na. I think this is a bin bag. Yung upuan, feeling ko, kasi hindi siya mukhang pillow eh. Oh my God. Mali-destroy pa ata ng person. Check natin. We have here. Wala guys, hindi ko na siya ma-open ng bonggang-bongga. I think I'm not ready to super open it. It's either beanbag talaga or sobrang laking pillow. Like yung hotdog na pillow na ewan. And it's color silver. Ang ganda. Thank you so much, Abira. So, yun lang naman, guys. Sobrang happy with all of the gifts. Thank you so much. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa unboxing nito kahit ng chaotic. Again, thank you for all of the gifts. Dun sa walang mga pangalan, if ever mapanood nyo to, you can message me. I have like this one, walang pangalan. Yung West Bronco na bag. And yung regatta na perfume. So, I'm not sure kanino yun galing. Nakaloka kayo. But yeah, thank you so much. Sobrang happy with all of the gifts. Parang kilala niyo talaga ako. Kasi mga ito gamit ko sa bahay, sa matcha, and for traveling. And also the bags. I really love it. The organizers, the makeup. And we have food, popcorn. Sobrang happy. And this one, pillow. Pillow or hindi ko alam kung ano yan. And also the bouquets, again, from Babe Jo, that one. From my bebe, yan, yung mga roses ko. And I have here again from Babe, Edmer Marie, and Kat. And this is from Topher. And Topher and Althea May and Noel. And eto kay Pat, gamit namin ng photo shoot ng Friday. So, sobrang happy. Ang dami kong gifts. Thank you so much. Super, super happy. Super. Ayun lang naman. Ay, ito, last hindi ko na-unbox. Of course, from Jollibee. I think this is yung lamp nila. Hindi ko alam paano siya gamitin. But let's open it. Hindi ko alam kung may battery ito. Paano gamitin? Instruction. Wala siya atang battery, guys. But sabi sa instruction, i-click ko lang to. And mag-open na white to. From Jollibee too. Thank you so much, Jollibee. And for everyone na nag-attend, thank you so much. Sobrang happy ko. My heart is so full to celebrate my 30th birthday with you guys and to receive all those gifts. Actually, you guys being present on the party on the day of my birthday is already a gift. Kasi imagine making time for me. I know we're all adults, we're busy, and may mga kanya-kanya na kayong ganap sa buhay, but you made time to, to come there. So, ayun, sobrang happy ko. And, ayun, yun lang naman. Nakikita niyo to sa mga OOTD ko or get ready with me. Gamit ko tong mga things na to sa pagta-travel, ganyan. Kasi alis pa ako. Ayan, yun lang naman. Thank you so much. I'm so happy talaga and grateful. I appreciate all of you guys. Ayun, thank you. Bye!